How to withdraw funds from your balance. To withdraw funds, log in to digital banking. Below your card, you will see the Withdrawal option. Click Withdraw. Enter the amount in Hong Kong dollars. Select payment method to receive funds. Enter e-wallet address. Proceed to the next step. Enter your CVV code. Click Withdraw. Transfer successfully completed. Funds will be credited to your e-wallet within 5 banking days. To set default e-wallet addresses, go to Digital Banking Settings. Then Payment. Enter your wallet addresses. Then save your changes. Now to withdraw funds, you only need to enter the amount. Select payment method and enter the CVV code. Shao Bank. We innovate, we grow, we earn, and we generously share the profits with our customers.